జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ.
Janaka Maharaju announces to Vishwamitra Maharshi saying that, "O Brahmarshi, I am ready to give my 4 daughters to Rama, Bharata, Lakshmana, Shatrughna. Let us perform their marriage ceremony at one muhurtam under one Kalyana Mandapam." Then everybody felt very happy. Janaka Maharaju reveals his respect to Brahmarshis, both Vasishtha Maharshi and Vishwamitra Maharshi, and also says that, "O Brahmarshis, because of your blessings, I am getting this opportunity to do Kanyadanam." Like that, Janaka Maharaju says and respects, worships both the Brahmarshis. Then Dasharatha Maharaju, along with Vasishtha Maharshi and along with his 4 sons, goes back to his place and performs all the rituals which are supposed to be performed prior to marriage ceremony. Nandi Shraddham, Samavartanam, everything is done for Rama, Bharata, Lakshmana and Shatrughna. Dasharatha Maharaju also had all his 4 sons do Godanam to lakhs of Brahmins. After that Godanam is done, those 4 sons were decorated with all beautiful garments and wonderful ornaments. After getting decorated with all those things, Rama is looking so beautiful, handsome, and no one is able to take off their eyes from the divine, beautiful, handsome personification of Sri Ramachandra Swami. Pundarika, Visalakshav, Sukumarau, Mahabalau. Such a beautiful, handsome personification, Sri Ramachandra Swami, after getting decorated along with his 3 brothers, comes to his father Dasharatha and standing right next to his father with all his humbleness. Then Dasharatha Maharaju asks, "O Vasishtha Maharshi, please go to Janaka Maharaju and tell him that we are all ready to come to Kalyana Mandapam." Then Vasishtha Maharshi goes to Janaka Maharaju and tells him the same thing. Then Janaka Maharaju says that, "O Brahmarshi, I am also ready with my 4 daughters. I had all my 4 daughters done Samavartanam, and all my 4 daughters got decorated with all ornaments, and we are also ready in Kalyana Mandapam. Please ask Dasharatha Maharaju come into Kalyana Mandapam with his 4 sons. Also tell him to feel this is his home. The entire Mithila is like his Ayodhya." Like that Janaka Maharaju says. Then Vasishtha Maharshi goes back and tells the same thing to Dasharatha. Dasharatha came into Kalyana Mandapam along with his 4 sons, and Janaka Maharaju is ready there with his 4 daughters, and everyone is ready to get marriage ceremony, Vivaha Kalyana Mahotsavam done. With meditating upon Sri Ramachandra Swami, let us now do Sri Rama Namasmarana. Sri Rama, Sri Rama, Sri Rama, Sri Rama. Jai Srimannarayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanaastram.com. and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana.
As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana.